How to fix the issue with fingerprint sensor not responding on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to try to switch it on and off your device. After that, your sensor should work. If not, go to settings. Now here in the setting, you can simply go to the search box at the top. Here simply search for fingerprint and at the bottom you can see under security and privacy the option of fingerprint. Click on it, click on fingerprint again, provide your password to verify your identification. Now here as you can see there's finger 1, so simply click on it and delete it. After deleting, click on add new and provide your sensor. Now that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with sensor not working on Android. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.